Hello guys, welcome to class. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make increases and how to make decreases. So to make increases I'm going to be using the yellow baby lamb acrylic yarn, and to show you how to make decreases I'm going to be using a brown acrylic yarn. So this is baby lamb acrylic yarn and I'm going to be using 4.0 millimeter hook. You are also going to be needing some stitch markers, and if you don't have stitch markers you can improvise with bobby pins or safety pins. So guys, the stitch we're going to be using in this tutorial is the half double crochet stitch. So I'm going to make an additional chain, then I'm going to start making half double crochet into the chains. So yarn over, go into this, make a half double crochet, yarn over into the next, half double crochet. So I'm going to mark the first half double crochet I made. This is the first. So yarn over, half double crochet. Now into the last one, half double crochet. So this is what I have. So guys, to make increases what we are going to do is we are going to make 2 half double crochet at the beginning, 2 half double crochet at the end into the same stitch. So I'm going to yarn over, so I'm going to make a chain and I'm going to flip my work to the other side. So this is the first stitch here, this is the first half double crochet stitch. So I'm going to yarn over, then make the first half double crochet here, but remember that we are increasing at the beginning and at the end. So I'm going to yarn over and make another half double crochet into that space. So you can see now that I have 2 half double crochet here. So I'm going to mark the first, this is the first one. So this is the first half double crochet and this is the second one. So we are going to continue making half double crochet till we get to the last stitch. So just one into the remaining, just 1 half double crochet, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, so 1. Now this is the last one, so I'm going to take out my stitch marker. So just like we did at the beginning, we're going to make 2 double crochet at the end. So go into that space, make 1 half double crochet, then yarn over, make the second half double crochet. So now we'll just increase at the beginning and at the end. So I'm going to chain 1, then turn my work. So this is how we increase. We make 2 half double crochet at the beginning and at the end. So I'm going to yarn over, go into the beginning, this stitch here, then make 1, 1 more, 2. So I'm going to mark the first stitch. Yarn over, keep going. So into this I'm going to place 2 half double crochet. So yarn over, go into that stitch, 1, yarn over, go into the next stitch, 2, into that same stitch. So I'm going to chain 1, then turn to the other side. So I'm going to make 2 half double crochet into that space. 1, 2, then mark the first one. So guys, I'm going to leave you to do 3 more rows all by yourself. I will do that off camera and come back once I am done. So now that I am done, this is what it looks like. So just in case you need to increase in the middle, what you're going to do is to place 2 double crochet into the middle. So increasing means you're going to place 2 double crochets, 2 half double crochet or 2 single crochet into that same space. So this is another example. The magic circle is also another example. So to increase means that you're going to place 2 double crochet here, 2 double crochet and 2 double crochet here. So we are going to learn how to make decreases. So first I'm going to make half double crochet into these chains. So I'm going to skip this chain, go into the next, half double crochet. I'm going to mark the first half double crochet, this. I'm going to mark this. So I'm going to make half double crochet. This. So now I'm going to chain 1, then turn. So guys, to decrease, what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over first, then we're going to place our hook into the first, this is the first stitch, then pull up a loop. Now take your hook and go into the next one, pull up a loop as well. Now you should have 4 loops on your hook. So we are going to yarn over and pull through all of it. Now place your stitch marker there. So this is how we decrease. We're going to decrease in 2 stitches. So this 1, 2 stitches have now become just 1. So now I'm going to yarn over, then make 1 half double crochet, half double crochet. So into the next 2 stitches we're going to make a decrease. So first of all, yarn over, then go into that space, pull up a loop. Now take out your stitch marker, go into the next, then pull up your yarn. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4. So yarn over and pull through all 4 of them. Now chain 1, then turn. So we are decreasing at the beginning and at the end. So we're going to make another decrease. So yarn over, then go into the first stitch, pull up a loop, go into the next one, pull up your yarn, 4 loops, then pull through all 4 of them. Now put your stitch marker there. So yarn over and keep making half double crochet. So now I have 2 stitches left, so I'm going to yarn over, go into the first one, pull up your yarn, take out the stitch marker, go into the second, pull up your yarn, 4, then pull through all of it. So now I'm going to chain 1 and turn. So guys, I'm going to leave you to decrease in the next 2 rows. I will do that off camera and come back once I am done. So this is what it looks like after decreasing. So guys, this is how you decrease and increase. So to increase, you are going to make 2 half double crochet at the beginning and at the end, just in case you might be working with double crochet or single crochet. Whatever stitch you are working with, to increase means you're going to place 2 stitches into that space. So maybe 2 double crochet or 2 treble crochet into that space. And to make your decrease, it means that you are going to have to join 2 stitches together to become 1. So that is how you make increases and how you make decreases.